Hello, I'm Jerry Pearson. I'm the Radio Detective. The Radio Detective program airs Monday through Friday, 7 to 10 p.m. Pacific. You can get it on the net at www.theradiodetective.com. I'm a long-time licensed private investigator. I'm also a former top-level cop, so I've had a great deal of experience, and on my show, I bring those experiences to you by way of stories. Not stories I read someplace, stories about my life. I enjoy talking to my audience every night. And, you know, when we get into some of the things that are going on today in the world, we talk about that as well. Because almost all politics ties to crime in one form or another. You tune in to Jerry Pierce, the Radio Detective, and I think you'll like it. Look forward to seeing you.